Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL query delete from example. How to delete a particular record from a table. The delete statement is used to delete records in a table. You can use where class with the delete query to delete selected rows. Otherwise, all the records will be deleted. Let's see an example. I have a table called employee table with 10 employee records. Okay, and this we are going to use for our demo purpose. So here I have three statements. Delete from employee. This statement will delete all the records from the employee table. Okay, and delete from employee where last name is Mitchell. So we are giving a condition to delete particular specific single record. So what will happen here is, say last name is Mitchell, so this 10th record will be deleted if I execute this. Or there is one more way, delete from employee where employee ID is 10, so this last record will be deleted. So using where condition you can delete any specific record. So I have given example here, so let's see how exactly it works. So I'm going to delete the last 10th record. Okay, looks like it has been deleted. How do we ensure? Let's do a SQL select query and check whether yes, the 10th record has been deleted from the database table. So this is how you can delete a record from the database table using where class, or if you want to delete all the records, you can use simply delete from employee. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.